All right, so problem number 4 asks you to solve each inequality. This means very similarly to if you solve for x, but this time it just has an inequality sign. So let's take, for example, this one. 3x minus 5 is less than 10. If this was just an equal sign, like pretend it's an equal sign, what would you do to get x by itself? You would add 5 to both sides to get x by itself. Right now, it's on this side with 5. So you want to get rid of the negative 5 by adding 5. All right, so this goes away and you just get 3x. It's looking much simpler now. 10 plus 5 would give you 15. X is still not alone. You have 3 of them. So in order to undo that multiplication, you want to divide both sides by 3. So 3 over 3 gives you this 1. So 1x, or just x, is less than, what's 15 divided by 3? 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then on the test, it's going to ask you to actually graph it. Okay? So this is important that you know how to do this. Let's make this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1 goes here. Okay. X is less than 5. So it's not equal to, we don't want to fill that circle in. And then, what are the numbers that are less than 5? Are they this way or are they this way? Well, they're this way. The numbers less than 5 are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All these numbers are less than. They're towards the negative side. They're towards the smaller side. Okay? We're going to do one more, and I'm going to practice with you and give you 2 practice problems. So here's another one. Let's do 10 times x plus 2 is less than, or, oh wait, do I want to do less than? Yeah, let's do less than or equal to 30. All right, this one's kind of hard. It's got a big number 10 in there, but it's actually not that scary. So you need to distribute the 10 to both items inside, or you could also divide 10 by both sides. But let's do it this way first. So 10 times x would be 10x, and then 10 times 2 would be, 2 times 10 is 20, less than or equal to 30. And then what would you do to get x by itself? You'd want to subtract 20 on both sides. Get 10x is less than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 10. And get x is less than or equal to 1. And so again, this is that important question, you know, is it equal to? Well, is it? I mean, yes, it is. So we can fill it in if we have our number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. All right, so it's at 1, and you can fill it in this time because it can be equal to. This was just saying the number's less than 5. So is 5 less than 5? No, 5 is equal to 5. It's not less. And this time we're also shading in this direction. It's the less than symbol. X is on the smaller side. I would suggest you look at the quiz corrections for these kinds of things because I go over what these symbols mean a little bit more and why I'm saying is it equal to. I'm going to give you one practice and then I'll go over it with you. So let's try 4x plus 2 is less than or equal to 14. Let's do that one and then also practice with this one. Let's go 5 times x minus 2 is greater than 10. Let's do that. So practice that on your own. We're going to go over what that looks like in a second.